Next is a various plant products, natural product as a anti-cancer agent. So first is a vinca alkaloids. So what is a vinca? It is a dimeric indole alkaloid. So what you have to remember, indole alkaloid. So in exam question like which indole alkaloid act as anti-cancer agent? So answer is Vinca alkaloids. So vinca is basically dimeric indole alkaloid obtained from Catranthus roseus and family is Apocynaceae. So in vinca, this is a structure of the vincristin. So indole containing part it is called catranthine and indolin containing part is called vindolin. Okay, and other examples of the vinca alkaloids are vincrestin, vinblastin, vinrosidine, and vinlurosides. And mechanism of action for this vinca alkaloid is it causes the mitotic arrest by promoting the dissolution of the microtubule cell and basically used in acute leukemia, Hodgkin's disease, lymphocyte lymphoma, and breast cancer. Now, this is a catranthine subunit, this is a vindolin subunit. So, as I said, that it is called indole containing moiety, which is called catranthine, and this is called indolin containing moiety, which is called vindolin. Okay, why it is called indolin? Because of the double bond is absent, which is called indolin. Here, double bond is present, which is called indole nucleus, and these are the structures of vinblastine, vincrustin, and vinroblin, and basically used in Hodgkin's disease, acute lymphocytic leukemia, and lung cancer. Next is a taxane derivative. So first isolated, it is a taxane derivative firstly isolated from the bark of western or Pacific yew, which is called Taxus brevifolia, which is a biological name. So it is used in treatment of the lung, ovarian and breast cancers. And how taxane derivatives are act? So it is hyperstabilize the microtubule structure or we can say freeze them. So taxane derivative hyperstabilize the microtubule structure and freeze them, and ultimately it is bind to the beta subunit of the tubulin. So that you have to remember for many competitive examination purpose, which is bind with the beta subunit of the tubulin and resulting into the microtubule taxane complex, which doesn't having a ability to disassemble. So once microtubule and taxane derivative complex is formed, which doesn't having a ability to disassemble, and these adversely affect the cell function because of the shortening and lengthening of the microtubule that is necessary for the functions. So if you look at the structure, so this is a structure of paclitaxel cells, docetaxel cells, basically used in ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and non-small cell lung cancer. And these are the semi-synthetic derivative. One is thiolone B and ixabepilone. So these two are the semi-synthetic derivative of the taxane derivatives. Next is epipodophylotoxin, which is obtained from Podophyllum peltatum, which is called May apple. Okay, May apple, it is a synonym of epipodophylotoxins, and the resulting into the DNA damage through the DNA strand breakage induced by the formation of the ternary complex with the drug DNA and enzymes, and basically it block the cell into the late S and G2 phase of the cell cycle through inhibition of the topoisomerase 2 enzyme. So these drug inhibit the topoisomerase 2 enzymes and basically used in testicular cancer, small cell lung carcinoma, Hodgkin's lymphomas, carcinoma of the breast, and Kaposi sarcoma associated with the AIDS. Now, semi-synthetic derivative of podophylotoxins are etoposide and teniposide. So both the drug having a cytotoxic effect on G2 phase, very important for competitive examination, and it caused the protein linked DNA strain break by inhibiting the topoisomerase 2 enzyme again, which inhibit the topoisomerase 2 enzyme. So this is a structure of the teniposide, this is a structure of the etoposides. Next agent is heterocyclic amine as an anti-cancer agent, which is isolated from Chinese tree called Camphotheca acuminate. Camphothecins, hydroxycamphothecins are the drug basically used in colorectal and ovarian cancers. So if you look at the structures where quinoline group which is fused with the pyrrolidine ring and where nitrogen is a heterocyclic amines. and this is a topotecan, which is also heterocyclic amine as an anti-cancer agent. Next is a colchicine. So colchicine basically it is a tricyclic ring containing propolone derivative. Okay, so this is called propolone ring. Propolone ring with ketone, so it is called propolone derivative, and three ring are present, so that's why it is called tricyclic derivative. Basically, it is used in acute attack of the gout, but its mechanism is inhibit the mitosis at the metaphase by disorientations, the organization of the spindle and esters, and it is often from Crocus colchicum antennas. So this is a biological source of the colchicines. Thank you.